Hello my lovelies and welcome back to the Lara Style Closet. Today's video is all about why you have absolutely nothing to wear regardless of the fact that you have a closet full of clothes. So guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, my name is Lara. Welcome back to my fashion and lifestyle channel. On this channel we focus on style and fashion for the plus size, mid-size, curvy woman. We're just all about fashion here. So guys, as I said, in today's video we're talking about 7 reasons why you have nothing to wear regardless of having a closet full of clothes. So we are going to focus on basically outfits for the week. There's absolutely nothing more frustrating than waking up in the morning, opening your closet and just staring at it because you don't know what to wear. And I'm going to give you 7 reasons why this is. The first reason is you do not organize your outfits for the week. I am a firm believer in you planning out your outfits for the week, especially if you have a structure to your week and you have things to get done. So the first thing I'm going to recommend for you is to buy a rail. That's if you have a space in your house where you can put the rail. Otherwise, create a section within your wardrobe where you can just put your 7 outfits for the week or 5 outfits for the week, depending on what you're doing that week. In your closet or on your rail, I would say definitely organize it by day. Organize it by what you will be doing that day. So for instance, if you work in a corporate office, definitely plan your outfit for that day. Are you having meetings? Are you in the office all day? Are you working from home? Are you going out to lunch? Are you meeting clients? Definitely just plan your wardrobe according to your week. So I'm going to leave a link to this rail which I use to organize my closet. I picked this up from Amazon, but you can definitely get some from IKEA. Guys, the second reason that I feel that you have absolutely nothing to wear is because you are following trends. Guys, I have fallen under this so many times. You see a trend or you're following your favorite Instagram, fashion content creator or TikTok content creator or YouTuber, and they show you an outfit and you fall for the hype and you rush out and you buy that outfit, and then you get it home and you're like, well, that doesn't look the same on me as it does on her. What's going on? Don't follow trends, guys. I think for me, when a trend comes out, it is a reason for me to get something that I have been looking for in my closet. What do I mean by that? So for instance, if the trend is kind of like all brown outfits and I really love brown outfits, that is a time when I think, okay, the stores have got a lot of brown, so I go out and I get those browns, and those are items that I will have in my closet for a long time and I will wear over and over again regardless of the season. So that's another reason. Don't follow trends, guys. Definitely hop on a trend if it's something that you like and something that you've always loved, because trends obviously come back over and over again. I think at the moment we're kind of in a really colourful trending season. So if you like colour, get it. If not, stick to the outfits that you like. So the third reason why I believe that you have absolutely nothing to wear in your closet is because when you go out shopping, you do not make a list of what you want. I fall for this all the time. Sometimes maybe you're in a bad mood, so you go out and you emotionally shop and you buy something and it makes you feel good for all of 5 seconds, and then you get it home and you realize, I can't actually wear this. So I always believe that if you're going shopping, for instance, at the moment there's a lot of sales in the shop. So if you want to get something from the sales, I believe make a list of what it is that you want. Maybe there's something missing from your closet. For example, maybe it's that extra special blazer that you want, and at the moment it means that it's a bit cheaper in price, so you can get that staple piece that you're going to have in your closet. So I feel like that's the best time to kind of pick up things that you've wanted to add to your closet for a long time. But definitely go out with a shopping list, so you just don't go in and just buy things just because they are on sale. I have fallen for this so many times, and that's why I have so many things that I need to get rid of, which will be on my eBay store. So if you're looking for certain things, hop on my eBay store. Anyway, so as I said, make sure you make a list of what it is that you need in your closet, and also just kind of go forward with that rule of maybe one in, one out. So the other day I was actually looking for a pink linen shirt, and luckily I didn't buy one because I came home and realized that I got one in a set. So sometimes you may be doubling up on things and you don't realize that you have. So definitely before you go shopping, go through your closet, check what you have, make a list of what you feel that you need before you go into the shops or before you go online browse. So guys, the next reason that I feel that you have absolutely nothing to wear in your closet is because the current clothes that you have no longer fit you. Yes. When I say it no longer fits you, as women, we go through so many changes in our lives. We go through body changes, we go through life changes, we have kids, we have so many things. You know, our personality changes, we're getting older. Your clothes just don't fit you. So it maybe you've lost a little bit of weight and they're too big. Maybe you've gained some weight and they're too small. And then in your mind, you're thinking, I'm going to diet to get into those clothes. Stop, girl. Do not torture yourself by doing that. Don't do that. So, you know, you've gone through changes in your life. You maybe lost some weight, you've gained some weight, you've had kids, your body's changed, they just don't fit, and you're keeping them in your closet and they're just taking up space, and then you probably feel guilty about buying new clothes. Girl, take those to the charity shop, sell them online on eBay. There's someone who wants them. Do that. As the next reason, which I feel is why, I don't know why there's so many cars today. So guys, the next reason why you have nothing to wear in your wardrobe is just simply because you do not like the clothes you have in your closet anymore. They just don't fit your personal style. So for example, you've changed your personal style. We've been in a pandemic. Life has changed as we know it. The way you dress has changed. The way you think has changed. For that reason, you just don't like the clothes that you have. So obviously, if you can hire a personal stylist, definitely do that. Otherwise, you can take inspiration. There's so many magazines. There's so many, you know, people out there that can, you know, support you with kind of finding your personal style. Obviously, watching YouTube videos as well can help you find your personal style. So I feel that that is a huge reason you just don't like the clothes that you have anymore. Next reason why I feel that you have absolutely nothing to wear is because you are not shopping for the body that you have, you are shopping for the body that you want. What does that mean, guys? It means, for example, I used to do this. It was, I don't know why I did that. It was pretty crazy. I would go into a shop, I would try something on, let's say in a size 16 or 18, and it looks absolutely fantastic on me. But rather than buying that item in a 16 or 18 at the size that I would go and buy it in a size 12, and I would be deluding myself to say I'm going to fit into it one day. Or I may say, even if I just go one size down and go into a size 14 and say, oh, this will fit me in a month because I'm on some extra special super diet at that time and I'm going to lose weight and I'm going to get into it. No guys, definitely a firm believer in shopping for the body that you have, not shopping for the body that you want, because that just creates so much confusion, and you know, it creates so much anxiety. You know, there's nothing worse than having to go to an event and opening your closet and nothing fits you, because you are basically, you know, wishing for something that may happen, but it's not necessarily going to happen in 2 weeks, or it's not going to happen in a month. It may happen in a year, it may happen whenever it happens. But I always feel that you should love yourself where you are before you get yourself to where you want to be, because if you don't love yourself where you are now, there's no guarantee that you're going to love yourself when you get to where you think you want to be, because you know, you may get there and things don't look or fit the way you think they should fit, and then what, we don't love ourselves then. So yeah, definitely be shopping for the body that you have, not for the body you want. You know, obviously if you have a goal in mind, continue to work towards those goals, but definitely love the body that you've got now, girl, because you only have one body. Love that body. And the last reason that I think I touched on this a little bit, but again, it's just about personal style. It's all about your personal style changing, your life circumstances changing, and for that reason, the items of clothing you want to wear has also changed. So guys, make sure that when you are, so I'm just going to quickly run through those points again. I'm going to grab my trusty phone so I don't miss anything out. So the 7 reasons why I said, in my opinion, you have nothing to wear is that you're not planning your outfit. So definitely I'll link some items below that will seriously help you organize your closet so you can plan your outfits. The next thing is stop following every single trend that you see, girl. It's not every trend we need to hop into. Definitely use it as an opportunity to get something that you've probably been on your wish list but you've definitely had a hard time finding it. Use trends for that reason. The next reason is definitely make a list when you are going out shopping, guys. Do not just buy anything in the store. Make a list, shop through that list, pick up items that you've been waiting for. The next is you're not shopping for the body that you had, you're shopping for the body that you want. Don't do that, girl. Shop for the body that you have now. Love on yourself now, and loving yourself in the future also. The next thing is that you just don't like the clothes in your closet anymore, guys. If you don't like something, you're not going to want to wear it, so get rid of it. The next reason is that your clothes just no longer fit you. So if your clothes don't fit you, you're not going to want to wear them, so get rid of them, guys. And the next thing is your personal style has changed, your life has changed, you're older, you're different. You just don't want to wear the things that you used to wear in the past. So definitely, guys, get rid. And the next thing is just that you have changed your lifestyle. You have grown. You are different now. Guys, you've grown up. So those are the reasons. So guys, if you have found all those points that I've made helpful, make sure you give me a like, make sure you press on that subscription, make sure you press on that notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Also, make sure you're following me here, make sure you're following me across all my other platforms. I'm going to link them all below. I create daily styling videos on my Instagram, and obviously I create long form content here on my YouTube, guys. So guys, I'm just going to give you the details of this dress that I'm wearing. This dress is a dress from Who What Wear. I did a collaboration with them over on my Instagram, and I absolutely love this dress. It comes in this color and then it comes in a black color also, guys, and this neck detail is just the thing that I love, guys. It just sold this dress for me. I love that you can tie it like this. Let me untie it. You can tie it like this. You can obviously like just tie it in the front like that, and then you can crisscross it over, guys, and just give that an extra. Ooh, hold on my hair. Cross it over. I'm going to come closer and just tie it around the neck there. You can obviously take it off your shoulders, guys. This dress, what I love most about this brand is that the dresses are created in a sustainable way, in a way that basically they will not create the dresses until you order them. So it's kind of like when you've ordered it, then they make it in your size. Sustainable and saving materials. The dresses are also made that the workers are paid, you know, a good wage, and every time you order a dress or a item, not just this dress because there's so many things on that, on the drop, it's basically called drop one by Who What Wear. So every item you buy goes to funding education for a child in India for 2 months. So guys, as I said, this is not sponsored. This was sponsored over on my Instagram, but I just couldn't share. I just could not share this dress with you because it's gorgeous, and it comes in black also. Like, obviously if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen the dress in the black. So it's absolutely beautiful. I love this dress, guys. So guys, I've yapped on. So guys, that is absolutely everything in my video today. Make sure, as I said, that you follow me across all my platforms. I hope you have a fantastic week ahead, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!